How to make a text follow an object inside Davinci Resolve. First, let's drag the playhead from where to start inserting it. I will even split the clip. Ctrl B is the hotkey for splitting. And till where it should last, that text. Split it again. So the text will be added to this location only. Now let's go to the Fusion page. Make sure this one is selected. Click on it. Now press Shift Spacebar and type in tracker. Tracker TRA. Click on add. This is the tracker which was added. A green rectangle also appeared, and that can be moved from the upper left corner. Notice there is a smaller rectangle. It's even zooming in when you moving it. Position that one onto a highly contrasted area. Let's say that point, which is there. So the tracker will follow that point inside this smaller rectangle. The larger rectangle, which can be resized, but the tracking will be slower. The larger rectangle is where it is searching for that smaller rectangle. On the inspector tools, use this button, track forward from current time. So from here it will track forward, and then we will use the next button, track reverse from the current time, from here to the left. So track forward from current time, only that tracked area is shown, and you have to wait quite a while depending on the length of your footage. Render completed. Now notice these white vertical lines here, and there we don't have those whites. So come here to the beginning, the first one, and from here it will track to the split point of our video. So this is like a timeline. From here track backwards, and it will go till the yellow line. Render completed. Click outside here on an empty area to deselect everything. Come here to this T text. Connect the right side, that small rectangle, to this one, the tracker. Drag that one with your mouse and drop it there. Now it is connected. So make sure this one is selected. Type in a text there. The text itself is not visible on the screen until we go to the tracker, click on it, come to operation, and operation, set it to match move. Now the text is visible. You cannot move the text from here. Notice it's moving the tracking, not the text. So let's undo it, Ctrl Z. First you have to click on the text itself. And now, from that rectangle in the center, you can drag the entire text. Position it, let's say, there. Back to the Edit tab. Now, the text is following that pipe, that object. And after it gets out from this split portion of the clip, of course, it disappears. Now it's visible and it's tracking. Now it's not visible and it's not tracking. So that's how to make a text follow an object inside Davinci Resolve version 18.